Major General Humaid Mohammad Abdullah Al Remethi, commander of the UAE Naval Forces, called on Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar Sidhu, Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force, at Air Headquarters Islamabad. The meeting focused on evolving regional security dynamics, with both sides exploring fresh avenues of engagement through joint training initiatives and deeper military-to-military cooperation. During the meeting, Chief of the Air Staff expounded his vision to transform PAF into a modern, agile and technology-driven air force through state-of-the-art upgradation programs in cyber, space, artificial intelligence, electronic warfare and the aerospace domains. He highlighted the deep-rooted religious and historical ties between the two nations, emphasizing Pakistan's unwavering commitment to expanding military-to-military cooperation with the UAE, particularly in the areas of training and joint operational exercises. Commander of the UAE Naval Forces expressed sincere gratitude to the Air Chief for the warm reception and gracious hospitality extended by Pakistan Air Force. He lauded PF's indigenization drive, appreciating its robust framework, homegrown capabilities, and focus on technological advancement, making it an operationally prepared and technologically advanced air force of the region. The visiting dignitary expressed the earnest desire of the UAE Armed Forces to draw from the Pakistan Air Force's rich operational experience in multi-domain warfare. He underscored that PF's tested operational framework and combat-proven doctrine remains invaluable for regional and international partners alike. Commander of the UAE Naval Forces further conveyed UAE's keen interest in conducting joint exercises with PAF, highlighting the immense value of mutual learning, operational synergy, and enhanced interoperability. He also shared that the UAE Air Force is eager to participate in joint training initiatives in Pakistan, an undertaking he described as a vital cornerstone in further cementing the brotherly relations between the two nations. The meeting between Chief of the Air Staff and Commander of the UAE Naval Forces signifies the commitment between the armed forces of both the countries in working together to address common challenges and the willingness to further strengthen their bilateral ties in the realms of defense and military cooperation.